Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois, and today I am standing in front of my certified pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2017 Chevy Silverado. Now this specific Silverado is a four-wheel drive LTZ that does come equipped with our Z71 off-road package. Now it does come equipped with our back tinted windows and upgraded 20 by 9 inch chrome wheels. This vehicle has never been in an accident and only has 19,500 miles on it, which is actually 1,000 miles below market average. It does come equipped with a tow and trailering package, and when we get in this vehicle we can see that we do have our premium Bose audio system throughout the whole car, black leather seating with a relatively large back seat, a spot to charge your cell phone, heated and cooling seats, a Chevy MyLink radio, and even your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.